She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the...
Hello everyone, my name is Casey and this is my YouTube channel, and today's video is going to be the tag where it's like, what is it, following a makeup tutorial. So this was, okay, I originally saw this video by Thomas Halbert, and then I didn't really know that it was a trend until I started seeing a lot of people posting it, and so I was like, oh, let me hop on this trend because it's like a trend that I actually like, or a tag that I actually like. So yeah, I followed along with ILUVSARAHI with her warm and glittery Thanksgiving makeup tutorial. Mine looks really bad. Hers looked really good. If you want to see how I complete this look, then keep on watching. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm like hella nervous because first of all, I'm not really that good at makeup. Second of all, I do not know her. Like, I don't ever watch her videos. I just was looking up makeup tutorials and I saw her makeup tutorial and it was one of the only ones I fell in love with, and I like added it to my watch later to watch it like later, like when I go to sleep or something. And then I was like figuring out who I was gonna do, and then I was like, I really like this makeup look. So yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a full-on tutorial on this whole makeup look. This is a look I created for a Thanksgiving, Friendsgiving event.
Cute.
It was using a lot of oranges, a lot of warm colors.
Cute.
Just a whole lot of glam, and I think it came out
beautiful.
So pretty. So
yep.
For me, it's something I would definitely wear on Thanksgiving, and I might just do it because I loved it so much.
I love it too.
So if you guys want to know how to get this look and learn a little bit more about this tutorial, keep on watching.
I'm gonna keep watching.
Right, before we
okay.
get started on the makeup,
no.
And now we can get started in our makeup. So I'm gonna start off first by priming my eyes today, and you guys.
Okay, wait. Okay.
What I love, that is the Urban Decay Primer.
I don't have that, so I'm using my soft ochre.
Favorite primer, my day one.
Okay, wait.
So I'm going to put this all over my eyelid. So for today's eye makeup look,
oh my god,
the most difficult
she did it so fast.
Thing trying to figure out which palette or shadows I wanted to use. I could not nail it down to what exactly I wanted to do. So I pulled out today my Morphe 3502, and it's perfect.
I'm just gonna go in with this color because I don't have that.
Shades and make everything blend out seamlessly. Alright, so we're now going to be going into the Morphe 3502.
I'm gonna take a different brown and try to, oh, it's really dark. She did not do a shadow that dark. Okay, whatever, we're gonna leave it like that.
And the first shade we're going to dig into is this matte orange shade right here. This is pretty much just going to go all over the crease, the lid, pretty much everywhere. It's going to be the primary shade that really is going to stand out. So I'm going to be taking this in with another blending brush. I grabbed a clean one just because I don't want to mix the colors up. And
yeah.
Start right on the crease.
Okay, wait. I have a blending brush like that.
Work my way forward and then all over the lid. I'm just going to go ahead and keep on packing this color on, adding more. See how the color on the crease kind of neutralizes it. It's not too, as loud as it looks, it's not going to be too loud. I love oranges.
Me too.
You can use them all year round. No problem. Alright, so next I'm going to go do the exact same thing, just adding it to the crease. And then again, blending it up, front of the eye, and then all the way around. Okay, so I'm pretty much blending. My arm kind of hurts a little bit right now, but I think that's the whole way to get the look to really work out. So again, back and forth. So I'm grabbing another brush. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of buff everything together.
Okay. So she goes all over her lid. This shade is really pretty. So I like it. I never use this shade, so. Nice.
This is going to really allow both those colors to mesh in and kind of just marry into each other. And I like doing this too to make sure that there are no lines of demarcation, and so it doesn't look like the color just stops. You want everything to transition nicely together. Don't be afraid to blend too much, and then add more if needed. And if for some reason the transition and the colors just aren't mixing that well together, you can go ahead and add like another additional color in there. So next I'm going to go in with this little mini shading brush. This is the Luxie 237 blending brush, and I'm going to go in now with this darker shade. It's still in the orange side, but shade. It's still in the orange side, but it's a burnt orange, so it's going to be a lot deeper. So I'm just going back and forth and really just detailing out this part of the eye. Makes a very big difference, that little shade. And I recommend a brush like this. These are amazing for this type of technique because you really want to make sure that you can detail it out. If you're going with the brush that's any bigger, it's going to just make the colors spread out. So because you want the color to stay in this area, you want to make sure that you find a smaller blending brush. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into the next product, and I'm sure you guys have been seeing this everywhere, and that is the ColourPop Supernova Shadows. So these pretty much come like this. It has a applicator on there. It looks like a gloss, to be honest.
Don't have that.
I'm going to be doing this with the brush just because I find the applicator to be a little too big for what I want it to do.
I don't have any color close to that.
So I'm going to be taking in the Smith 304. By the way, this is the shade Dragon. Oh my god, just look at the bottle. Okay,
that's like a copper color. So I'm going to be using. Okay, let me see how it looks.
Start this right at the bottom of my eyes.
That's really pretty. I don't know what color looks closest to it. I'm be using this color. I'm going to be going in with the second shade. And just go on.
Alright, so before I put my falsies on, I'm going to put on some mascara, and today I'm going to be using the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. This is a brand new baby, and I think you guys are really
should call her lashes.
It's a lot of fullness, a lot of flare. I just love the way my lashes look with this. I actually really like all of Maybelline's mascaras. I think that they're all fantastic.
These are better than sex. Oh, she doesn't even. Oh, she didn't even call her lashes.
So next, I'm going to go with these lashes from xoxo, and these are.
But I'm just going to be using these eyelashes. I guess see what hers look like.
Are a 3D fiber luxury lash. This is in the style Kendall. Okay, so this is what the lash looks like.
Okay, mine looks like those.
More of a flare to it, so I think it's going to go perfect for this look. So I'm going to just pop these on my
Okay,
eyes.
so those are really pretty.
So going in first with the burnt eyeshadow and then the orange.
Okay, wait. What is she doing? Oh, on her lash line?
The retractable black eyeliner.
Okay, I don't really have a good black eyeliner, so
I'm going to go on top as well.
this is not even pigmented.
This liner has a really
Okay,
good
she has a pigmented eyeliner because it's Kat Von D or whatever.
payoff, and I love that I don't have to reapply throughout the day. It just really stays put, but I mean, it makes such a big difference if you see both eyes, how much eyeliner just kind of puts the look together. So next, we're going to go ahead and jump into the skin. I feel like I haven't done a full face in a while. I mean, I feel like I always do kind of full face tutorials, but I'm going to just get a little more detailed into everything.
Perfect.
So I'm going to go ahead and spray my skin first with a little bit of this Rose Hibiscus Coconut.
Oh my god, it was so loud. Okay, I don't have a spray, so I'm just going to use my primer. Like, I don't have my rose water, so I'm just going to use my primer.
So next I'm going to go in my moisturizer, and today I'm going to be using one of my favorites. This is the H2O Beauty Oasis Hydrating Treatment. This one is amazing if you are on the dry side.
I'm not dry.
Me, I have very dry skin.
Not me,
girl. A lot of moisturizers just do not do it for me. So this one, what I love about it is that although it is for dry skin, it does not leave like a heavy cream feeling. It's very lightweight. Because
she's talking a lot, so I'm just going to blend it. I know she's going to be quick with it.
Just really work this into the skin. And really get it on the dry areas, which is right around my nose.
I don't have any dry areas. And with my Santee Magic Perfecting Face Primer, I'm just going to use a little bit. And I'm not really going anywhere, so.
Also feel like it works amazing on all skin types as well. And make everything look smoother, a lot better. It's a perfect combo, putting both of the hydrating products together. Alright, I'm now going to go in with the Hourglass Vanish
Don't have that.
Beige. You guys all know this is like my ride or die foundation.
Don't.
Love this one.
Definitely don't have that. So I'm going to be using a drop thing foundation because I do not have this. Shouldn't even have bad skin, so.
Amazing on dry skin. But lately I have been using the Jouer Essential, which I have to say is in my top favorite foundations. That
That's
foundation
good.
is amazing. I can't get over the coverage
Why
and
does
the way
not-
it wears and the way it looks throughout the day. I can get into a favorites foundation if you guys want a favorites
Yes.
foundation tutorial, and you guys let me know. I would love to do that because, as I mentioned, it is.
Oh wait, I don't even know how she blends it in.
I'm gonna go ahead and buff my foundation
Oh.
with a.
I don't have a freaking buffing brush with me because I usually use my beauty blender, so I'm just gonna use this Real Techniques one. Ew, I already hate it. I hate using brushes. How does she even does it?
Black kabuki brush.
Okay, she's speeding up, so.
Ignore the breakouts this week. It's just.
But breakouts.
Time of the month does not play. Sometimes I get very lucky and I have like amazing skin when it comes to that time. But then there's other times where she's angry. Everyone's gotta watch out.
Oh yes.
I don't even come out.
Okay, I'm just gonna.
I don't
Sorry, I
know
have
why.
to.
You know what I mean? All right, going in now with my shade tape in the shade
Don't have.
light medium. And I'm taking in this brush and I'm just gonna go.
Girl, why are you using a brush? Why do I need to use a brush? Can y'all like not judge me on how dark my concealer is? I know my concealer is dark. It's going cream contour. I'm gonna cry.
Going in contour with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade is Espresso. Beautiful bronze.
Mine's in
And we're going
toast.
to be using the other side of this flat brush. And you guys, if you guys are wondering, this is the Makeup Forever 230 straight
Okay, well I'm not doing that because I'm not gonna get my brush that I use for my concealer dirty. So this is very bronzy.
Buff this into the skin.
Use this brush.
And I'm going to go ahead and buff up that contour. I'm going to make those cheeks pop. I'm going to go ahead and blend in my nose contour.
Okay, she's going a little fast.
See, I'm going to bronze today with the Hula Hula.
Thank God.
Bronzer Hula. And really just warm up the skin with this
Okay,
bronzer.
I don't have Hula. Okay, she's going a little fast.
Ooh, Benefit Bronzer Hula. And really just warm up the skin with this bronzer.
Going so fast.
And because it is Thanksgiving, I'm going to do some baking, and that is with the Dermablend.
Don't have that, so I'm going to use my air spoon.
Get it? Haha.
Ha.
Someone laughed. You know, it's 1 in the morning. I just want you guys to know my energy is so low right now. So I'm pretty much saturating my beauty blender in this, and I'm pretty much going directly over the areas I highlighted. Really
Oh, she was so low.
But especially underneath my eyes, it's going to make me not crease. A little bit on the forehead. I'm going to be adding
Yes!
blush today. I'm going to be using this palette from NARS from their new holiday collection, and this palette is called The Veil.
Don't
and
have.
in here, it's so cute. They're found 3 colors in here.
Okay, this is really bright, but.
A blush and a highlight. But I'm pretty much just going to be using the blush out of these colors. And my earring is just sitting on my shoulder. She wants to go to bed too. Don't be rude, girl.
Me.
Sorry, she's being a diva. So I'm going to be going in with this blush right here. And I'm just going to be adding this for a pop of color on my cheeks.
Okay, how's it look? Okay, that looks really light.
Alright, so for the highlight today, we're using this
No.
from the Kylie Cosmetics
Don't
line,
have.
and this is in the shade King. I'm going to
How's
be
it
using
look?
this on the inner part of my eye as well as my highlight.
Okay, wait, how's it look?
Pop it right in there. Ooh.
Okay, it looks white. So, let's go in with Stardust.
Oh my god, this is so pretty.
That's so
Love
pretty,
it.
girl.
I'm going to apply this onto my brush now. And also add it to my chest.
Okay, we're not adding it to my chest because I'm wearing my pajamas. She doesn't add it anywhere else. Oh no, she adds it on her
And now I'm
nose.
just going to top off my bottom lashes with the Total Temptation mascara to finish off the look. So for my lips today, I'm going to go in with my favorite shade ever, and that is my 951 color that
Don't have. It's going to go in with a Tarte liquid lips.
I created with ColourPop, and I'm going to be going in as well with the MAC Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Chestnut. This combo together is so perfect for fall time because you get a slight bit of that nude pink, but you also get the dark brown finish with it that creates like a different kind of shade. So I'm going to start right there. I'm I'm now going to take in the Precise Lip Line Brush from Sigma to pretty much even out the lips. Alright, so here is the finished look. I absolutely love the way this came out.
Oh, I hate it. I'm sorry, but I don't like it. I just don't have good skills. Thank you so much for sticking along if you stayed. But yeah, thumbs this video up if you enjoyed and, you know, liked this tutorial. Not tutorial, copying a tutorial, following along. So, yeah, I'll link you down below and stay tuned for more videos. Bye, loves.
Saying I wanna be your